Welcome back to FitFix. Meditation is a practice that helps calm the mind, promote relaxation, and enhance self-awareness. Here are the basic steps to follow for proper meditation. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space. Choose a place where you can sit undisturbed for the duration of your meditation session. Ensure that the environment is calm and free from distractions. 2. Assume a comfortable posture. Sit in a position that allows you to be relaxed and alert. You can sit cross-legged on a cushion or chair, or even lie down if you prefer. Maintain an upright posture to promote focus and prevent drowsiness. 3. Set a time limit. Decide on the duration of your meditation session. Beginners can start with shorter sessions of 5-10 minutes and gradually increase the time as they become more comfortable with the practice. 4. Close your eyes and relax. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Allow any tension or stress to melt away with each exhalation. 5. Focus on your breath. Direct your attention to your breath. Observe the natural flow of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Notice the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath without judgment. 6. Cultivate mindfulness. As you continue to focus on your breath, cultivate mindfulness by being fully present in the moment. Be aware of any thoughts, feelings, or sensations that arise without getting caught up in them. Acknowledge them and let them pass by, returning your attention to the breath. 7. Practice non-judgmental awareness. During meditation, thoughts and emotions may arise. Instead of judging them as good or bad, simply observe them with acceptance and let them go. Maintain a non-judgmental attitude towards your experiences. 8. Gradually extend your awareness. Once you feel comfortable with focusing on your breath, you can expand your awareness to include other sensations in your body, sounds in the environment, or even thoughts and emotions. Observe them with equanimity and without attachment. 9. End the session gradually. When your meditation time is complete, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry the sense of calm and clarity from your meditation into your daily activities. Remember, meditation is a skill that develops with practice. It's normal for the mind to wander during meditation, so be patient and gentle with yourself. Consistency is key, so aim to make meditation a regular part of your routine to experience its full benefits. Thanks for watching FitFix, and subscribe for more.